What's up to my YouTube family out there? This is Eric B back again with Pr1me29. Today my video is going to be about me installing my new logos. I got my logos from Estrella Creations, so if you guys need logos or want logos, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah, I got my logos from Estrella Creations. Here's his card and all his information, so if you guys need logos, this is a good guy to go to. He's a real cool guy to work with. Again, there's his information. You guys take that and you can roll with that. But these are my decals right here, and I love them. I end up getting two types of colors. One to where the car is white and the words are white, and then one where the car is gray and the words are gray. But I decided that I'm gonna go with the white car, stick that on my windshield. I mean, not windshield, but my window right back here, and I think that'd be pretty cool. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to spray it down with a little waterless wash. I don't know about you guys, but I actually like to spray my windows down with the waterless wash instead of that window cleaner. I don't know, but that doesn't always work well for me. Kind of get a few streaks on the window. This waterless wash though is perfect. Y'all might think my car is clean and and streak free and all that kind of stuff, but I don't. I know what I see. That's why I wipe it down almost every day. So guys, I end up cleaning the whole entire car with my waterless wash. And for those of you who don't know what waterless wash is, the people that, I know there's a lot of you that do, but for those of you who don't know, waterless wash, basically, if your car is just a little dirty and you don't want to do all the car washing and waxing and everything, you can use this for a quick cleaning, and it makes your car shine and polish just as good. You know, as long as your car is clean, you can't have a muddy car and then expect to use this. But this is what I use. My car is really never dirty, so you know, I use it whenever I want. When I clean my car all the time as well. But this is Adams Polishes waterless wash, and this is something you could use. And it also smells good too, so buy that. So now for the installation of my Pr1me29 logo. Small installation, but something that gets me noticed. Oh. I'll start on the driver's side. Windows are clean. It's a little windy out here. Let me go. I don't want to mess anything up. go to the other side. Stick it back on this half. There we go. But don't that look good, y'all? So when y'all see me, look for the logos. Pr1me29, baby. There's my logos installed and just a little bitty installation, but it's done. So you guys, that's all I have for that video. Today I basically just installed my decal, my logo on my Camaro. So when you guys see me, just look for the Camaro, the garden red Camaro with the Pr1me29 sign. So guys, until the next video, I'll see you next time, and you guys have an awesome day.